Hey folks, welcome to this week's show here on Outdoors of the Delta. I'm Brett Palmer, and I'm here with Josh Gooch. We're here in northern Arkansas. It's a late February day. It's 73 degrees, folks, in February. Can you believe that? And we're going to take advantage of this. The good Lord's give us a great opportunity here to catch some smallmouth in the dead of winter in a kayak. And man, I appreciate you taking me.
You got it, man. I'm looking forward to it.
Hey, I'm looking forward to it. And how are we going to key in here? What do you think are the things we should throw?
Well, man, I'm gonna throw plastics for sure.
Plastics?
Tubes mostly. I'm hooked on tubes.
Tubes?
But I'm gonna try those, and I might throw some Smith McRows, but mostly tubes this time of year. I have a lot of
tubes, and of course you know me. I'm gonna throw a Ned rig, and he's used to he knows the Ned rig, but
yeah,
he's a tube man. I may have to give him some Jenny Bug tubes. Old Bobby's got some good ones out there now. So
it's a tube versus a Ned rig.
Hey,
who wins?
Hey, it's on, man. It's on. So hey. We're hoping it's going to be an epic day. We're just, hey, whether it is or not, we're just blessed to be out here in the middle of February on a beautiful day like this. So y'all stay tuned. We're going to try to bring you a good one right here on Outdoors in the Delta. Show him here. Hey, that's a dandy. What, about 15 inches? It's a good one. Sweet. Well, there's one for the tube right there. One for the tube. Another good one? Hey. Shoot, yeah, son. I got a pig, man. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Woo! Mercy. That's a dandy.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, baby.
Woo!
Nice
Son. Wow. Boys, don't get old, man. I'll tell you what. This is a banner day. That's a good solid 18 inches.
Yep. It's a beautiful small.
I got to measure my arm to get back to, I don't know. We'll measure. We'll do this on film. There's my elbow. There's my tip. It's right to the end of my hand. So we'll measure that. I got a tape measure for the truck. We'll measure.
Perfect. Gotcha.
All right.
That's how we do it.
Man, son.